students, today we will continue with English Unit 9 Sing a Song of People. So I request you all please pay attention in this video. Today we will discuss its question answers and some exercises. So children, meanings we have discussed in the previous video with the explanation of the poem. So I told you to copy meanings in the English CW. So with meanings, today whatever we will discuss, that also you have to write in your English classwork notebook. Question 1. Which modes of transport do the people use to move around in the city? Answer. People use buses and taxis to move around in the city. Question 2. What are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? Answer. People carry their hats and umbrellas with them while moving around. Question 3. Where all do you find these very busy people? Answer. We find busy people on sidewalk, subway, tall buildings and riding elevators. Question 4. Where have you seen crowds of people? Answer. I have seen crowds of people in a mall. Question 4. Where have you seen crowds of people? Question 5. Why do you think all these people are in hurry? Answer. These people are in a hurry because they have got a list of things to do in less amount of time. Now we have here language use. Let's write the opposite of the following words. These opposite words you have to write in the textbook also and in this classwork notebook also. Slow, fast. Back, forward. Below, up. Loud, silent. Up, down. Tall, short. Crowd, individual. Go, come. Now see children, in your textbook page number 153 you are having here that write a paragraph about your teacher with the information you have gathered. So here you have to write about your teacher in few lines in the textbook only. So meanings, question answers and the opposite words please copy in your English classwork notebook and learn it well. And this question 2 about your teacher you have to write in the textbook with pencil. Thank you.